Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint-Maurice-de-l'Échouerie, Quebec, is a peaceful village along the beautiful coastline of the Gaspé Peninsula. The village's story dates back to the early 20th century. It was initially named Saint-Maurice in honor of a local parish priest, Elias Morris, whose name inspired the village's current name. Over time, the area grew as a small fishing community, and its name, L'Échouerie, comes from the French word for a place where seals rest, or where fishermen's boats land on shore. One of the standout landmarks here is the Saint-Maurice-de-l'Échouerie Church, built in 1917. Its design blends neoclassical and Gothic styles, showcasing beautiful arched windows and unique shingle work on the exterior. The church sits at the heart of the village, surrounded by a peaceful cemetery and an old presbytery, adding to its historic charm. The village overlooks the Gulf of St. Lawrence, offering stunning ocean views and opportunities to spot marine wildlife like seals and seabirds. The calm open landscapes make this a perfect spot for relaxing and soaking in the natural beauty of the Gaspésie region. Whether you're passing through or staying to explore, Saint-Maurice-de-l'Échouerie is a place where history and nature meet.
Thanks for watching!